Hello, this is Ana Santos and welcome to our 100 tips on how to make money online. Now we're on our tip number 21. And for tip number 21, it's how to make money flipping goods and valuable items. So all of the things that I was telling you, all of the things that I'm discussing in here, actually I've done it myself. 90% of it, I've done it myself, okay? So flipping goods and items, I've been doing that since, if I'm mistaken, 2016, 2017 until now. But I was more active way back before, probably 2017, 2018, when I have an online shop than now. I'm still doing it, but not that much, okay? But I tell you, this is effective because I've done this many times. I got scammed once. I got scammed once for those years, but most of the time, it's a positive ROI. Okay? Positive ROI. Okay? So, and you know, pag na-scam ka naman, matututo ka eh. Okay? So, I don't count it as a loss. It's a learning experience for me. Okay? So, I've been flipping watches. I've been flipping alahas and, you know, bags. Even before. That's why I have, you know, bags like, you know, what's that? Calvin Klein, Guess, ganyan. Ayoko ng Louis Vuitton kasi Louis Vuitton sometimes they ask for parang gifts, ayoko ng ganon, gifts. So I don't like that. So that's why I sell before the more affordable items like Coach, Michael Kors and all that. So what I do is I flip those items. I buy it in the US. I search it in eBay, and then I contacted somebody who are, you know, wholesalers in the US, and then bring it here, and then I resell it in Marketplace because I have an online shop before, so I put it on my online shop. I post it on Buy Sell Swap, and sometimes I also resell it in eBay. So like for example, this one, I flip items. I'm on the look on marketplaces because marketplaces usually, especially when they're moving out or moving interstate or moving on other countries, they're selling everything that they've got because they don't want a lot of things to bring. Ayaw nila ng ganon. Minsan naman kailangan nila mag-umpisa ulit, so ibebenta nila lahat ng gamit nila. So I'll show you one of the things that I have bought on the marketplace, like this one. It's a very nice watch. And I just bought it for $110. $110. Pag binili mo siya, triple. Minsan 5 times pa. Pero I bought it for $110. So, supposedly I'm going to resell it, pero hindi ko na ni-resell kasi gusto ko siya eh. Maganda. So, hindi ko na ni-resell. So, that's what I do. I flip items. If you're just on the look, even on, you know, napansin ko sa Kmart, ganyan. When you go to Kmart, there are items there that are just $1, $2. When you check in on eBay, they're $5. You can do that. You can flip items if you wanted to. Tsaga lang. But for me, because I wanted, you know, medyo matataas ang presyo kasi mas malaki ang profit mo pag ganun din eh. So, I buy alahas. Sometimes on the marketplaces, I buy alahas and then I resell it too. Again, I buy watches, I buy bags, and then I resell it again. I resell it on, you know, when I have an online shop, I put it on my online shop. I put it on eBay again, resell it there, or buy, sell, swap, or in my group. I resell it, okay? I flip it. Sometimes, you know, it's not too much, $50, $100, but, you know, rather than, you know, just lying down in bed, why not flip items? Lalo na ngayon, naka-quarantine tayo. So, I flip items. Sometimes, if you're lucky, you can make as much as, you know, $200, $300 per item. If it's, especially alahas. Okay? Because there are lots of people out there na pag medyo nagipit, ganyan, gusto nilang ibenta. Kasi sometimes those alahas, those jewelries, those rings are just gifts. So, minsan parang hindi naman nila kailangan, hindi nila ginagamit. So, they're just gonna sell it cheap, and then you can just buy it and resell it again after. Okay, so that's what I do. I have a niece. Actually, what they're flipping is, they're flipping cars. So, they buy and sell cars. So, it's the same as that. Okay? Kaya lang, syempre, pag cars, mas malaki ang puhunan mo. But you know, alahas, when you can find, kasi syempre makikilatis mo rin naman kung ano yung mga magagandang items, lalo na sa alahas, sa diamond, sa, you know, sa mga relo, sa mga bags. Usually, those have, you know, nice profit margins. Okay? So, those are the things that I flip. I buy it on eBay sometimes, and then resell it on marketplaces, or vice versa. I buy it on eBay, sometimes even in the US, I buy it in eBay, and I already have this suki, may suki na ako doon nabilihan ng bags. That was before, probably a year ago or more. And then I resell it on my group, I resell it on my online shop, or sometimes I resell it on marketplace. Or sometimes kahit sa personal profile ko lang, I resell it there. Okay? And until now, even yung mga tag-oyar na mga watches, I buy those sometimes and then resell it again. And it's a good profit margin. Okay? Tsaga lang. Okay? So, that's how I make money flipping goods and valuable items. Okay? Maraming salamat and you have a good day.